Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if your Disney PhotoPass photos aren't appearing in the Disneyland mobile app, the issue is usually caused by photos not being linked to your Disney accounts, process delays, or using a different Disney account. Fortunately, most missing PhotoPass photos can be recovered with a few simple troubleshooting steps. So first thing you can do, or open the Disneyland mobile app by launching the app, like sign into your Disney account, check your photo gallery like inside the app, open Disney PhotoPass, like go to here, okay, menu first, and then you have to go to your Disney PhotoPass. So you have to find the option of PhotoPass, okay, and then here tap photo gallery, refresh the gallery. Your linked photos should appear once they are proceeded, okay. Link missing photos. So if your photos aren't there, open link photos, scan your PhotoPass card, attraction photo code, or PhotoPass QR code if you received one. If necessary, manually enter the PhotoPass ID. Properly linked photo should appear after processing. Wait for processing, like if you recently had photos taken, wait up to 24 hours for the photos to finish processing. Refresh your photo gallery throughout the day, and many photos appear within minutes, so while others may take longer, okay. So verify your Disney account. If photos are still missing, confirm you're signed into the correct Disney account. Ask members of your travel party whether the photos were linked to another account or ticket. So that's it guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.